Yes, so my name is Anya Brown. I am from Idaho Falls, and I'm working on my Master of Public Health on the Pocatello campus. I actually graduated in May 2020 with my Bachelor of Science in Dietetics, and I'm a first-year graduate student. Some of my hobbies when I have a free moment include hiking. I love to be outside and do anything and everything outside. I also love to bake, cook, and spend time with my friends. We love to just go shopping and just get coffee and talk. One fun fact about me that only some people know is that during my junior year, I was a vegan. I chose ISU because I was originally going to major in occupational therapy, but I changed my major to dietetics second semester of my freshman year. I then realized that ISU has a great health science program, and I decided to stay here for grad school. Another thing about ISU and why I like it is because we're not just a number as students, our professors want to get to know us. After I graduate from my master's program, I want to work in the research field. I'm currently taking biostatistics with Dr. Irene Van Worden, and I really like her class. It's been interesting. And it's also just been fun to read about the studies that she's done. So that kind of spiked my interest in working in health research. I specifically want to do nutrition research though. If I don't end up doing that, I'd like to maybe become an epidemiologist, something in that area.